Everybody for Nigeria dey subject to the law. That is to say, whether you be man or woman, whether you be big man or you be ordinary man, nobody pass the law. And at the same eye, when the law, they take the look everybody, now they take the look everybody. Just yesterday when pass so, the governor of Ekiti State and the APC lawmakers will be said they don't dey quarrel for a very long time. They carry their matter go Supreme Court and they knock 4 cases against the governor of Ekiti State. But the Supreme Court can't carry the whole 4 cases when they carry come, sweep and put inside the dustbin. As a result of this, Governor Ayodele Fayose can enter road with him people, begin the dance shoki and second to celebrate in victory. We go chook eye on top of the case. Look am from left, look am from right. Even though court don't do their own. Some people still they talk say, he be like say somehow, monkey hand there inside. And other people they talk say, make APC just accept. Say courts don't do their own and courts don't do their own. My name na Ezugo Chokwodi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother. We sabi well as he take concern the matter as e dey hot.
Yes, good morning, correct country people and our viewers where they watch us right now. I welcome now for today's edition of As E Dey Hot. And that's the Ogbonge TV station. And now will be the only TV station where they do it, where they knock now with 3 strong telephone line. That is 3 solid telephone line. So that when the matter starts, when the discussion start, when the arguments start, at least now if we do it now, we feel call, chook mouth. And we also knock now waiting 1 toll-free line. We say now go call, now go talk, now go argue, now go express in our mind, now go now go talk about the bill for body, and then the payment will go. Now we.
Correct.
At least we are capable enough to do it.
Very true.
Yes, my name now Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
Yes, our people went there for house. You say if you join this discussion, go on top of the Wazobia fan page for Facebook. Remember, sir, always they talk and say we don't get the As E Dey Hot fan page. People don't they like them, but we still they customize some kind of things. When we knock una the full page, una go accept them and continue to they join us. They discuss all the discuss when we they discuss. Nkubi, make we not waste too much time. I know say they know say we dey on top of Twitter too and all those ones, but this matter, my mind is sweet me because the court don't do wetin the court supposed do, and I don't know why it come be like say the gidigbo when Governor Ayodele Fayose carry Ekiti lawmakers and the APC knock for ground the thing they pain them, but I know say it don't affect una spinal cord, and as court don't talk now, we don't really see say truly this man na the man of the people, truly this man na the people when we say the people want, and as they talk say vox populi vox dei, that is the voice of the people na the voice of God, and not with a voice kabbalah, that is the voice of the kabbalah.
Well, the Supreme Court don't make the judgment, and anyway, I will also uphold the judgment of the court.
Before
we go uphold the judgment of the court.
Before, no uphold.
The court don't, as long as the opposition carry the matter go court, and then the court come we and investigate, do their own research. People can tender their own research to say, okay, make them take that their judgment eye. May they take their loyalty eye, look the matter, know whether all these allegations, whether not true or not false. But the funny thing is, I don't know whether the people who tender allegation, whether they tender enough.
Which one be enough?
Enough concrete allegation to take and do this thing. But hold on. But then,
if you not get enough, why would I go court in the first place? You not get enough, and una go court.
Hold on, young man.
Supreme Court na the highest court.
I'm not going to say they not be highest.
The senior body for the court.
They don't decide.
This one no show say the APC as a political party.
Make we accept the fate of the judgment. The judgment don't come. It has come to stay, so let us move on.
Why una come they distract this man?
But if you look at based on a lot of drama will take place even before and after the election, it is enough reason to do it, to say yes, this thing is what taken to the court, let them judge it and make sure say they judge them well.
Judge waiting.
I'm not saying they not judge it.
Judge waiting. June 20th, Ekiti people come out en masse to vote for
before
man.
That June
Before
28th,
which June
the
28th,
various
wetin?
dramatic event wey take place.
Which dramatic event?
So
that the then governor of Ekiti State, wey belong to APC, he carry phone. Immediately the result dey come out, he don see say as people dey come out, people just dey where they begin dey shout say, this is our man, this is our man, he is the one for us. He don't know say he don't lose the election. He can't call say, well, my brother, now they call my name for this matter.
I will give you two reasons.
Which two reasons?
I'll send them to you.
Una can't go
one.
Since June 20, una don't disturb the peace of this country. They cause distraction.
They
distract the man. 10 months, una no allow am face in government. Now court don't do am. Wetin you want talk? Shame go catch bad people. For this country, we go still go court. All these elections when we say we talk, say something happen, we go court. And I believe say this is our court. This is our Nigerian court. Go give victory to the people.
Chukudi, you go allow me talk.
No, they call my name. Talk.
You go allow me talk.
I don't come finally vex. Because since we don't keep quiet, he come like say the way we wanna do the thing. We don't know as he be. We will go court.
Wetin happen behind the curtain?
Wetin happen behind which curtain?
Different monkey hands wey just dey stretch behind the curtain.
Which monkey hands
before
stretch?
The election nko.
Which monkey hands stretch?
The first thing be say before the election, wey be say people dey know normally they go on a very peaceful campaign. Now, security officers from nowhere just scatter the whole thing.
Who be the people? Who be the people when they stop?
The then governor. They was being threatened by a security officer. Who are you?
Who are you? You did there?
We not see footage.
Which footage?
We not see video.
You did there?
We saw the video.
Which video did you see?
We did my big eye. This correct eye. I see everything seeable.
Thank God say you know say your eye big.
Your own eye is bigger than mine.
Your eye is bigger than my own.
When I mean big eye, they use an idiomatic time.
Which idiomatic time?
When I mean big eye,
which
that is correct eye.
Then stop some people from entering the big
eye. You have the bigger eye.
Why governor go leave your own state, say they go another state, considering the fact that the situation is very, very tense and highly volatile?
Because they won't go hype in waiting. They won't go hype in campaign.
They leave their own state, go they hype another person campaign.
Their state no
leave their
safe.
Own state, go they hype another person campaign.
Their state no dey safe. Tell
why
me.
You go come up for your own state?
Answer my
you
question.
You are a serving governor. You were elected to serve your people. You can't come up for your own state.
Answer my
question.
Their state when they live under duress, under tense mood.
Which duress? Why?
It was in peace when they left the state.
Why governors?
And they went back there and they met it in peace.
You go leave your new wife for house. They go village. They go village meeting.
Their state they run for how many years? Be like new wife to them.
What do they talk?
What you know? What time they talk?
Hey, Nigeria.
You know what they go do what they go do.
So you dey talk say these governors
now. These are people that have the interest of the nation in their heart.
The interest of the nation.
That is why they won't go join body with the ruling government there. I want you all people to come out en masse and vote for that same governor. When I know say we do it for now.
But at the end of the day,
that
what's happen for election?
That will bring that solid change and transformation to your state.
That it did not do for 4 years. They can't come out, can't carry their PVC, slam and gidigbo for grand. They can't gidigbo.
What I say no do?
Why he can't lose the election? You see the election results.
We know why he lost the election.
Don't ask me. Don't tell me.
You and I know why he lost the election.
You know your own. I know my own.
He lost the election because he is a formal individual.
Which formal individual?
He dey follow protocol. He dey do his own thing with discipline.
Which protocol?
He no be pay.
6 o'clock before the election even finish. As people dey come don say for this local government na Ayodele Fayose winner. For this local government
na by force say he go come out in the midst of people.
Carry his phone come straight.
In the midst of your state, they say, okay, they enter market. Say, is that the criteria for good leadership?
You are supposed to be a servant of the people. You are supposed to relate with your people.
And what if he's using it to deceive them?
You deceive what? Deceive what? See the people who come out yesterday.
That is why we saw.
Hundreds of thousands of people will come out. As the governor, they dance shopping, they dance second. People follow and they dance. 10 months of just election. See millions of Nigerians.
Bags of rice for nylon. Small rice they take give them. With chicken window chop. Oh my God.
Because of say for 4 years when the other government did here, they don't do anything. The people are hungry. And governor can look and say, let us deal with the immediate problem. What is the solution?
That is their solution.
Young man, there's what we call the immediate. There's what we call
immediate need.
No, excuse me.
Immediate what?
The immediate
transformation.
The immediate problem.
What is the immediate problem?
When
other countries, when other states have gone past that era, you're telling me immediate
which
what?
era? Now, state government in their state. They go Ekiti State go campaign.
You don't go past 3 Derika. Now you want chop and once you don't chop and finish.
Make we even look
the
the
problem
cases.
continues.
Make we even look the cases when they bring come against Governor Ayodele Fayose.
Okay, make we look am.
He shows this the
No, tender your cases.
Excuse me.
Tender your cases.
Excuse me, I will tender it.
Tender.
He really shows those lawmakers, they are just troublemakers.
Define troublemaker.
Thank you very much.
Why would they be troublemaker when in the house where we say you deny how many lawmakers the opportunity to come also join in addressing matters that concerns the state.
Thank you very much.
Contact security officers. Scatter everywhere, put them in place of everywhere. Just allow 7 lawmakers to be webinar people.
No, they formed a quorum.
They do it to take.
They formed a quorum.
Oh no.
They formed a quorum. Not a
Quorum.
Quorum.
No,
Not a quorum. They call 7.
Where
Which one
quorum
was
dey
7?
for Constitution?
Thank you very much.
I'm not even allowing you to say anything.
Which allowing me to say
Quorum or
anything.
no quorum, it is wrong.
Then it's illegal.
It is wrong.
It's unconstitutional.
7.
It's unlawful.
Unlawful
People
how?
form quorum. Excuse me.
Quorum.
You see
Quorum.
the
Okay, they form quorum. Hold on. Quorum on what ground? On the ground that others failed to come, or on the ground that others that were supposed to be there were not allowed to have access to the house.
Nkubi, thank you very much. You see, me from when I small.
And why will you put in place security officers that were up to 1,000 everywhere?
Thank you very much. From when I small. Make I explain.
Tell me.
From when I small, now I don't dey involved in everything leadership. From my primary school, I be class
captain. I'm not involved in anything leadership.
You show for your body, say you know
this. Show.
Because you dey ask me say quorum. Why will you be asking me of quorum?
Tell me what quorum is.
Thank you very much.
I'm not even giving. You're not saying it.
How many lawmakers there for Ekiti State?
Chukudi.
26 lawmakers.
7.
Excuse me, sir.
7 impeach the speaker. Why would 7 impeach the speaker?
He wasn't 7 or 9.
Okay, either way, 7, 9. Why were the others not allowed to come in and take part in the decision of the speaker?
Why you come out 2 now? You are a liar. Why you come out 2? You want to confuse Nigerians.
Why were the others not allowed to come in to get themselves involved in the decision of the speaker?
Why did they not make themselves available? Now,
which president? Why are they not president?
Which president?
Why they put security officers everywhere?
Which security officer?
To threaten them.
If you not
the same way when I carry and go the federal level, when I take security, just they threaten speaker.
Nkubi, if you not be thief, you go dey complain say they lock kitchen door.
Chukudi.
Answer now. Shebi you want talk.
Chukudi.
Your wife cook new soup finish. She can't lock kitchen door. You can't begin the rake say why the woman go lock kitchen door? Is the kitchen your area of jurisprudence? Answer that question. Lawmakers, governor go call them for house, say make them come. The people who serious come. The people who not serious, they don't come. Why you go to fear security? Is the security not supposed to ensure security?
Plan your plot.
Distracting the government for 10 months.
Plan your strategy.
Now the Supreme Court has decided.
I'm not surprised.
Hey, winner.
I am not surprised. Do you know why I'm not surprised?
The man of the people.
Do you know why I'm not surprised?
You cannot be surprised.
Let me now make it very clear to you. Let me now make it very, very clear to you. The allegation, what we say, the top say, voiceover, say there were things that were recorded. Say, yes, on plans on how to rig that election.
Thank you.
Will come out.
Thank
Chukudi, you want to talk to nobody?
Anybody can do it.
What is anybody can do it?
Anybody can do it.
What is anybody can do it?
Anybody can do it.
Tell me what is anybody can do it.
Thank you very much.
What are you saying?
The court deals on substantial facts.
Are you telling me that is not a substantial fact?
Wetin be substantial fact?
Tell me.
You play audio.
You play this way,
you play audio talk say this thing.
The voice of the people who carry out the plan.
You never hear people when they sound like some people for this country.
Now wetin you say about
yes.
the military officer will come out when we say he come and come talk say this is how we see how we carry out this plan.
Where the man dey today? Thank you very much.
The man is trying to protect himself.
Why you going to protect himself?
He is protecting himself.
You bring case against somebody.
His interest. Because in the first place, when they interview him, we saw say they blow in face.
Why they go blow in face?
Because
he shows that
he hides from people like una.
It's a lie.
He's hiding from people like you.
You carry case go police.
Now no go do it. Now no go hunt am down.
Which one switch down?
That is what it means.
Which one switch down?
That is what it means.
You carry case come out and say, see the way when the thing take happen. You tell your own side of the story. When you go to the court, you must present all your evidence in facts. And now wetin don happen for Ekiti State. The governor, I want to commend the Ekiti State governor. I want to use this opportunity to commend the Ekiti State governor, Governor Ayodele Fayose, for following due process, for being a law-abiding citizen, for being a man of the people. Because if truly, as they distract this man, 16 lawmakers, 19 lawmakers, they distract the governor from carrying out his executive functions.
The man came
if I don't take
with
the law into your hands,
making making
We know-
that place ungovernable for the speaker,
Ugubi.
for the speaker and the entire members of that house.
We know what happened in Rivers
That
State.
is what happened.
We know what happened in
Because
Rivers
why
State.
would you come
But
to
the man
intention of
obeyed the
trying
law.
to-
He
trying
followed the law
put
to the
a
last.
law on people. When we say, now them the lawmakers.
Which lawmakers?
Tell me why.
Which lawmakers?
What do you tell me lawmakers?
Which one be they put a law
Which
on
one?
the people?
Of course,
Which one be they put?
Idiot.
Which case
It's
they
not
don't carry give against this man? They say they don't impeach him before. They say they don't impeach the man before. Say the man no go fit contest for election. Court say foul.
Okay.
They don't say the people when they looked into the matter. Court say those people that the assembly they on constitutional foul. They come out and say the man forged his certificate. Court look the man say this guy your HND certificate now original foul. They even court say security. Court say foul. 4-0. 4 condo. Now he come now they give them.
Just hold your mouth there.
Oh,
Because
which mouth?
by the time we come back, just make me vex right now. With all these facts they say they present. I don't know whether they're fallacious facts or not true facts. But meanwhile, make we go market. Just hold yourself. Don't even say pen. Don't just talk. No, they come. Don't make me vex.
No,